Have you ever wondered why some people snore when they sleep, while others don't make a sound? It all comes down to airflow. If your airway stays open while you sleep, you breathe quietly. But if something blocks your throat, like relaxed muscles, your tongue falling back, or even extra weight, air struggles to get through, and that's when the vibrations start. Snoring is more common if you're overweight, sleep on your back, have allergies, or drink alcohol before bed. All of these can make your throat muscles relax too much, and if someone snores really loudly and stops breathing for a moment, that could be sleep apnea, which is actually dangerous. So if you snore, adjusting your sleeping position might help, and if it's really bad, you might want to get it checked. Your sleep, and your partner, will thank you.